Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's another sunny day. Taking out the Mustang for a drive. Doing a slightly different route this time. If the roads are right and there's no cars in the road, I do have a plan to maybe try to break a new record on the 0 to 60 because I did some 0 to 60 testing yesterday and I used the implemented timer and I got a 5.6 because my tires wanted to spin so bad and traction control was just not letting it happen. So it's been warm out for a couple days now. I don't know if that means the roads are warm, but you know what, it can't hurt to try it again. This is right after school, so there's a lot of cars on the roads, rush hour, so whatever. Hopefully, after these roads, it clears up a bit. Super sharp turn here. Nice. Interesting roads. Slow my car. This Mustang does feel really planted to the ground. It's really, really nice. Love the way it feels. Yeah, I love that. Going over that hill just feels planted. Feels great. That is an interesting vehicle. Beautiful. All right. I think I'm gonna keep going this way. find a place to turn around. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see it. I have the 0 to 60 timer up. I am getting a new camera soon, so that should be getting fixed. I'm getting a camera for my birthday, which is coming up really, really soon. But it says automatic start. These things are known to be slightly off. I think it's fine. It's cool that it's there compared to if it wasn't. All right, let's get it ready. Hopefully there's no cops. Automatic start. Okay to begin. 3, 2, 1, go. Nice, 5.3. Hey, that's not bad. I'll take it. I did exactly what I wanted to do. Light through first gear, just enough so it wouldn't spin a lot or turn traction control on a lot. But just enough to get through as fast as possible. And then the second it hit second gear, I just mashed the throttle and it works exactly how I wanted it to. That's amazing. Uh-oh, we have a school bus. That is, in fact, not optimal. But if you guys enjoyed this video, I know this was a short one, but please drop a like. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good day.